name is Anil Soni. I am a practicing lawyer in Delhi. Well, as a criminal lawyer, you have to be very witty in the courts because it's the police case that is against you and you have to show your innocence. So, the lawyer as well as his client need to be very frank about the offense and the occurrence, and thereafter we take it on and we take it as per the law. It may be just a simple accident. Accident is an accident, but it is very interesting to read how it happened, how you can get the person out of it, and that's the interest. Even a dacoity, even a murder. Of course, murder cases become very interesting because even your client would deny that he is murdered. So you have to presume that he is innocent. But at the same time, you have to read the file and make out of it. You don't ask your client that have you really murdered. So that's you have to just put 2 and 2 and make it 5 or make it 3. And your ethics and your profession says that you need not go into anything, all those things that you cannot go into moral values, and you cannot refuse a case. There have been instances where the entire profession, the entire lawyer association boycotted a particular client, and that was felt unethical. The Supreme Court transferred the matter to another state, saying it is wrong. And if your client puts in his trust in you, you have to do it for him. Even a father, even a son, they have to go against each other in a profession. If a client puts in trust in you, and you have to look into that matter that way. Sometimes we know there's a padding in the case by the police, and it's very frustrating to know it and still not be able to do anything about it. So that's where your work counts, your experience counts, and you have to study your work. You have to read your file again and again to get those loopholes. You should do a little work on civil side as well, because when you enter the profession, you may be just having 1 or 2 files to read. You can't read it 200 times a day, or you can't read it 200 times again and again. So you have ample time to study other laws as well, because today everything is getting complex. Even a cheating case would require you to know maths, chartered accountancy. You need to know all those things because cheaters have become very complicated. You need to know technology. Technology is advanced. So apart from just concentrating on CRPC or the criminal law or the murder offense, you need to go into all this, because in a murder offense also, today it's the WhatsApp or the emails that count, or your telephone, mobile talks that you had immediately with anyone, or your mobility or your locations, all that is counted. You need to be very honest in your work, because I was a public prosecutor in the Delhi High Court for 11.5 years, and I think not a speck or not a prick that is there against me. No one can say a word, and I'm very happy about my job that I did. And the word spreads. It's not that you take money in one case and you don't take it in another, but the word would spread that he takes money. So if you're working hard, even the judges, if they feel that you have worked hard and you've done a good job, maybe they also have some people who are stuck up in some cases and want a good lawyer. You have to slog yourself, you have to really work hard, get new points out of your case, study. And as I said initially, you have to forget partying, you have to get out of driving, night drives, friends. Just you have to forget everyone, even your family for that matter. You have to be sitting on your table, sitting in your office, late hours, get up early morning, keep a paper and pencil on your bedside. The moment you get up at night, you remember something, you jot it down, because when you get up early morning, later you may forget that point. So you have to be on your tenterhooks all the time. That's the pressure that you feel when you have a high stake case, and of course when you get high stake money also for that. So that's the pressure as well. Once you study your law, Everything is set up for you. You're only waiting for your clients. That's the problem. A client will not come to you if you have black hair. The thing is, they want grey hair. That means experience in life, experience in your profession. So the first thing you face, the first difficulty that you face in life is that you are young and people do not trust that you'll be able to handle his case well. There was a day that I did not have a penny in my pocket and I was waiting for the day to be over. But at the last, a client came, he just came in and gave me 300 rupees. That was a long time back, 30 years back. He gave me 300 rupees and that was a God gift to me. And I really worked hard for that man.